This is a case study on landing pages and how to convert your leads. This page is actually a ClickFunnels that was led from an email. When you come to this web page, you see the first line is, "Are you that demographic?" Yes, I'm that demographic that's running webinars. Then you offer a new opportunity. The new opportunity here is the new generation of webinars. So you feel that there is a new opportunity here on this landing page. Then the eyes go down to this video. This is the means to the new opportunity, or the vehicle to the new opportunity. This is a video. You watch it, and you're interested, you click to secure your seat for a webinar virtual event, which may be recorded, it may be live, pretending to be live with a recorded event. So this is how you do it. Demographic matching, new opportunity, next generation of webinars, the means or the vehicle, and the call to action. Now, if they watch the video, and it could be pretty long, you could have video analytics to see when they drop off, or when they leave the web page, or when they pause the video and not click the call to submit. And that at that drop off point, you can add a short clip like, "Hey, don't leave yet," and upsell them a little bit more, keep their interest more. So you can swap that video in with this video, and where most of the users tend to leave the video, that's where you have alert to further engage them so you don't lose them. This is the rest of the web page. Just more information. And then generally, visual design wise, there's alternating colors for the slides, playing around with the foreground and background. You see a consistent also color theme all around the website. This concludes this case study. Thank you.